I'm a fresh graduate, like pass out from Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology and Science, Bhopal. And my tech stack actually includes the MERN stack. I have like knowledge of working in like JavaScript frameworks, and I have like full understanding because of the fact that I've from the past 7 to 8 months, roughly if you consider 1 year, I have self experience in working in these technologies. So this is all about myself. Hello.
So have you done any practical work on this React.js and MongoDB?
Yeah, practical works I have actually done. I have learned first the like all the front end related frameworks like React.js, Next.js, and TypeScript, and implemented that by making of like several projects that are actually hosted on Universal, and it is also uploaded on my GitHub profile. So all of them are like a structured collection of them are actually in my GitHub profile. You can just look up to them.
Yeah. Okay. So, so previously you have no experience as an intern or any work you have done, right?
No, no.
So total, how many projects you have deployed?
Like I have worked with both front end as well as back end. So if I count it, like it would be roughly around 70 to 18 projects that I've actually deployed. So I have worked in and out in both of these like front end and back end frameworks, and all of them are also present on my LinkedIn profile. So you can also check them out.
Yeah, okay, fine. So the complete design work and the backend part and deployment also done by yourself, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Everything is done by yourself, right?
yeah.
So can you tell me, I think yesterday you explained me that you have some of the companies on your hand,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Cognizant, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So are you, I mean, do you got any offer letter from them?
I have letter of intent currently from them, but no official offer letter because of the like fact that since it's a recession, they are actually delaying the onboarding to like months. So and also the thing is that I'm actually working in these technologies for past 1 years. So I'm interested in this tech stack or the organizations which are like working in these technologies. So that is the thing. Currently, I have received LOI from them, and like it will be a continuous skill development program from that will be starting from October onwards, and after that they will convert it into full time, depending upon the business requirements, as they have said.
Okay, fine. So what is the package they have mentioned you?
The package that actually mentioned is 4.1 LPA.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. So on your hand, you're having only one company, that is Cognizant, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. So can you firstly explain me about your project, what you've done, which is the best one in completing?
Um, Okay, the best one, the project like this varies kind of the projects. So if you just take one, so the one project that is actually based on which is a full stack project, which is actually the UI of that project is actually made on the like React.js, and I have implemented several hooks in that, and that project also contains headless CMS, which is a kind of like a backend service. Okay, so in that headless CMS service, I have actually implemented Sanity, which is already made backend, and I have in like with that it also contains the payment methodology such as like a Stripe, and which is implemented in the test mode, and both are actually like integrated. Both the front end as well as the back end is integrated, and the project is actually a technical store kind of like thing. So this is one of my projects. So, and the second of the project is that in which I have made the front end as well as the back end. So it is kind of a CRUD kind of application in which I have actually implemented Next.js with TypeScript, and the backend is made using the Node Express and MongoDB. So all that actually have been designed by me,
Okay, fine.
and they're like,
Can you share the screen and explain it?
yeah, sure,
Yeah. Can you run it all?
yeah, sure, sure. Desktop. Can you see it?
Yes, I'm able to see.
Okay, okay. So this is my LinkedIn like GitHub profile. Okay. So there are too many of them. Let me find just the one. Looks card gaming full stack.
Shantan, in your LinkedIn profile, I have seen that you have started your own company.
No, no, no. That's not a company. That's actually the it's kind of a community which I've actually made. So that is not my company actually.
Okay,
So
okay.
this like community of learners. So
Okay.
that is one project.
So you're teaching them?
I'm
For the
not teaching there, but since it's a kind of a recession thing, so actually, what I have made this organization in order to like help others, like providing any kind of job notifications or anything that actually comes. Like when I'm scrolling things, like there are a bunch of individuals that are actually working on this, and we also work in different areas related to like data structures and algorithm, as well as open source contributions and web development, etc. So whatever the knowledge we have, we give it to them. Like most of them are like juniors and our batchmates.
yeah, you can.
So can you see this? Can you see this website?
Yes, I'm able to see it.
Yeah. So as you can see, this is kind of a text store. Okay. So this is a kind of a full stack web application. So this, as you can see, this contains the various carousel systems, different kind of the technical products that actually you can buy. There's a headphones, there are cooling headphones and speakers. So this is the sample products that I've actually have this data inside of my JSON files, and this is the actually the UI. So as you
Oh,
can see, if we click on this product, so you
yes.
can see like card system from the React is also implemented here, and all of these icons, as you can see here, is implemented from React Native icons, and here are all the things, like if you just add it to the cart, so
Yeah,
you can,
Chetan, is this only for the headphones set, or we can use any other products also for the uploading the?
yeah, you can like use different products, but I've actually made it like for the sample. There are like variety of products and information that you can actually implement. So if I just go to the code of this website and edit, like we can add different products for it.
Okay, so Shintan, may I know, is it in Play Store? This app is in Play Store.
uh, no, this is not in Play Store. I've actually implemented, like hosted this on Vercel. So Vercel is like Netlify, Netlify, Vercel, and Heroku. These kind of the websites are actually used to implement, like hosted on online. And there's also a Stripe payment system here, as you can see that this is currently implemented in test mode.
Mm-hmm.
uh, so this also contains the card information and the billing address and everything. So this is kind of a like e-commerce website.
Mm-hmm.
If you
Okay.
just fill the dummy information and
Yeah.
text is it. So you can see, and the city you can also fill, and then you can just pay that by uh,
It's only applicable for the cities, or we can go for the villages, the towns like that.
yeah, it is currently in the test mode. Okay, so this is not going anywhere. So if you want to just for the real time, so then you can just change its mode. Okay, so you can just change its mode, and then you can just
Yeah.
order it.
Okay, we can
So you
implement.
will receive the information on, because they already have their own backend, like yeah.
Okay.
So
So, yeah.
hmm.
Can you show me
And
the code also? What is the code you have done?
many of these website are actually made. So okay, so another one could be like this. Mm, React interview preparation JavaScript. Okay, wait. This is on my, I think, LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, we will go. Stack blog application, OneStack AI integrated prompt, cryptocurrency web app. So this is one of the web apps that is actually used to display the 24 hours data of the like various crypto coins um, that are actually in the market currently. So if you just go for the coins, so you can see that there's like various Ethereum coins, Bitcoins, and Tether, and all the list of all the data, like 24 hours data of all the Bitcoins can be displayed like this. So you can see the max supply, circulating supply, market cap, and all the values like this. This is implemented in the React and Chakra UI I have used for the front end part, like designing part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is one of my projects that I actually made.
So is any one of your projects are in the Play Store? In the
Pro-
18?
One of the projects, actually, it's in the one of my projects is actually in the Play Store, but I've actually like uploaded that, so you can see. Just wait.
Okay.
Well, Play Store, if you see, those are React Native apps. Like there's a bunch of people that have contributed on that, and we have uploaded that. So if there's some kind of search option.
So bunch of people you have mentioned, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
which you have done, which work you have done as a designing or front end, well, back end?
Yeah, front end part was actually like designed by me, and all the back end they have actually developed. So it was like quite an year ago. So as you can see, there was an app, but because of the fact that uh, ranking system, I cannot actually see it. So
What is the use of that app? It's only for GS.
yeah, that was actually our student developer group. Okay, so in our college, it was like Google Developer Student Clubs. So there was like a bunch of students, like 5 or 10 of us, which were like having decent command over several technologies. Like some of us were good in front end, some of us were good in like mobile native apps, and some of us were good at marketing. So the team of these uh, that was like running in our colleges for education purposes. So in for that case, we have actually made a complete app for ourselves uh, by working together. So that was it.
Okay. Okay, Shanti.
Not
So
actually find it, but yeah. You can see here this app, as you can see.
yes.
Yeah, that's my name, Shantanu Sai, GDS City. So I have uploaded it. I have like my own developer account. So I just uploaded this, and this is the mockups that were like prepared by somebody else. And as you can see, this is made in React Native.
So, Shintan, can you tell me the difference between full stack and mono stack? The difference, firstly, I want to know.
Full stack and MERN stack. So
Yes.
both are actually the same. So, like for full stack, there are several other like different kind of technologies. Like MERN stack, like full stack contains like Python plus Django, Python, and you can use Python with like Golang as well. So that is also full stack technology. You can also use MERN stack, which accounts for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. And for you can also use mean stack, like this is another kind of the full stack technology. So you
Mm-hmm.
can also use that. And for mobile native application development, mobile application development, you can use React Native and Flutter kind of technologies. So these are the technologies that are actually comes under the full stack. So it is a kind of full stack technology. So, and there are various variants of it, like uh, there's Java also, there's for Python also, and currently I work in one stack, so it's JavaScript development, so JavaScript related full stack development.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the difference between class component and functional component in
Yeah,
React?
class component and function component. So the class component is actually like it was based on like when the version of the React was like 15, React version was 15. So we implemented the class components where we use the syntax such as the class component like extends, and then we just made different kind of the components in that, and that contained various mounting components like did component update and mounted. So four kinds of the method that was actually used. But after the introduction of the React 18, we used the functional based components, which contains various kind of hooks such as use state, use effect, and all these.
So what do you mean by asynchronous API?
Asynchronous API. So asynchronous is like there's the JavaScript, as you can see, is a kind of the synchronous language. So executes one by one. Okay. So one instructions at a time. So that is the synchronous process or synchronous order in the JavaScript. And the asynchronous process is something which takes time. Okay. So if you are waiting for like a process that takes a longer amount of time, so you just say that this process is asynchronous and must be skipped. Okay. So that other processes in the line can be executed in order one by one. So that is asynchronous concept. And the asynchronous like API, like you have to implement the concept of promise like async and await in order to just fetch the data from some another website and then just display it, because since it's not a kind of a guarantee that some other website is going to return the data in how much time. So that is why you use the async and await concept in JavaScript to like fetch the API in asynchronous way.
So can you tell me what is callback hell?
Callback hell, yeah, callback hell is actually the nesting of functions. Okay, so suppose actually there's a set time out function. Okay, so there is next nesting of the functions internally one by one. So that is the callback hell when the inner functions inner function executes internally by nesting, and it's so difficult to like recognize for developers, like if there's kind of an error that occurs inside of that nested function, so it will be very difficult to explain your or very difficult to debug out. So that is the callback hell concept, and it is also called as the pyramid of doom because it's structure man like when you see that nesting functions, you see like it kind of a pyramid. So that is the callback hell. These are the major concepts in JavaScript. Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, so tell me what are your strength and weakness?
The strength is that like continuous learning, I would say. Continuous learning, I would say, is my strength, and I have also worked in various like in JavaScript. I have knowledge, like tons of knowledge, and I have been working in these technologies. I have faced like several errors, so I find out those errors, and I do not give upon upon them. It's like 2 days, 3 days, and I'm frustrated as hell. But but I still try to like find or fix that debug error and complete my projects. So I would say that that is my strength. I try to complete all the projects that has been assigned to me in a stipulated amount of time or under deadline. So that I would say that as is my strength. And weaknesses, I could say that this learning is the like steep process. So it takes through time much time in order to just get on with the technologies, but once when I am consistent, then I can definitely go on with it.
I think if you get a good opportunity when compared to our company,
Hmm.
so you'll directly go for that company or will stay back in our company.
um, it depends upon the actually the organization. So if your organization is someone which is like providing the structured growth, then I would definitely be in your company, and I'm looking forward positively to join your company because like your company is working in this tech stack. So yeah, currently I have no option to switching to another company if you provide me some like good offer.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, Shantan, so present, you're interested for learning the things, or do you want the money?
Uh, Currently I'm interested in learning the things, but yeah, but like it's difficult question if you see, because this is like a period of recession and all, and I'm searching for job opportunities that pays well, so I won't compromise with it as well.
Okay. Okay. So, how much of rating can you give by yourself for React, Node.js, and API integration, and MongoDB, and deployment?
Out of, I think,
5.
like 5, so I would roughly rate myself as 3.5 something. 3.5 in the all of the technologies that you actually mentioned, because like I cannot claim myself to be expert. Like I'm also learning things. I'm a junior developer, and there's a scope of improvement in all the things that I'm actually learning.
Oh, okay, nice. So, yeah, have you gone through our company profile?
Yeah, Curinom Solutions have actually saw that it's quite like mobile application and web application, like different kind of development. Like I saw that this company is also like based in Hyderabad, I guess.
Yes, the main branch is in Singapore.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So, firstly, I'll explain about our company,
yeah.
and then we'll go for the technical round.
Okay.
So, are you available at today itself in the technical round for the technical?
Like for technical round, you can schedule just today.
If you are available, then I'll schedule it by today because I have to check with the technical team also, their
Okay.
timings availability. Then
So,
after completing the technical team, we can discuss about the further things. Is that okay for you?
can you schedule the round tomorrow?
Tomorrow at what time, please?
Tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Okay, fine. Let me check with the technical team and I'll message you.
Okay.
And after completing the technical team, we can discuss about the things, everything.
Okay. Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So about our company, Curinom Solutions is a global product and service-based company. We are specialized in artificial intelligence, IoT embedded system,
Mm,
digital marketing, and healthcare services to our clients.
mm,
Cloud migration is also provided. And present, we are having the in-house products like QHR, Pilgrim, Biscuit,
mm,
Showcase. These are the products we are having, the in-house products. So coming to our branches, the main branches in Singapore
mm,
and Indonesia, Bangladesh, Africa. Coming to India, it's in Hyderabad. These are the locations we are having Curinom Solutions.
mm, mm.
This is
Okay.
about our company profile.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So yeah, tomorrow I'll schedule the technical round and I'll mention you the timings when the
Okay.
technical will.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure.
So you have any doubts? You want to ask me anything?
No, not currently.
Okay. Okay, thanks. So yeah, I'll message you tomorrow at what time will be
Okay.
available.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can
thank
I
you.
contact you like LinkedIn? You would be available now.
Yes, yes, I'll be available at anything.
Okay. Okay. Then I will definitely message you today.
Yes.
So.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Shantan. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day.